Okay, are you guys ready for the most embarrassing story that happened to me this month? You're welcome. Let's get it. I am going to be doing a story time, a TikTok story time. Hello, stinkers! Before this gets started, I want to say that I know you guys have been requesting a different story time, although you have been just requesting story times in general. You guys are like, we want more story times. So this, good. Woo! 2 thumbs up, boo! But there is a story time of the guy at the hotel. Everyone's requesting that. That is going to be filmed. I'm going to film it in a few days here. So it will be up next week. So don't worry, I haven't thought about I have thought about it. I haven't forgot about it. I just want to post this one because I have it here first. There's reasonings behind why I haven't posted it. So I'm going to post that one as my next story time. Enjoy this one for now. And I'm not avoiding the other story time. It's going to be coming. The tea will be spilled. Anyways, here you guys go. I am absolutely shook. First of all, my hair is pulled back so much. It's like snatched. So I can kind of like, I feel like I just had plastic surgery or like a facelift or something. And my face is like, ah! So if I'm not like smiling like I normally do, it's because my face is pulled. It's the face pull for me. You guys love story times. So this one is a super embarrassing thing that happened to me. It's not that long, but you guys are requesting more story times. So here you go. Okay, so, girl, I was laying here watching TikToks. You guys know if you follow me on my vlog channel, I have this little device here to watch TikToks on, because that's all that Austin and I do all day long. That's like our highlight of our days, sitting in bed, laying in bed, watching TikToks, ordering food, eating shit, you know, stuff like that. You know, when I say that I'm trying to eat healthy and then I just gorge myself at McDonald's and cotton candy, you know, that kind of vibe. Me after drinking 1 glass of water thinking that I'm healthy and it's flushing my system out. Okay, so that's what we were doing. And so it's like hands-free, right? So lazy. It's on Amazon, by the way. So scrolling through TikToks and then okay, so I'll just show you. Okay, here is my TikTok page. My username is PiinkSparkles, and then to go live you hit this button and then go over here to live. Okay, and that's how you go live. Hey guys, I'm going live. Just kidding. Okay, so this is there, and I kind of have it down a little bit and like tilted, so I can't really see, like, okay, how to explain that. So it's here, like about here, right? And then because we were getting food ready, because we were, you know, I was putting like sauce. It was actually Taco Bell we got, so I was putting like hot sauce on my burrito, and then like opening up everything, you know, because in bed it's like hard to eat. I don't want to get crumbs anywhere, so I'm getting like a plate, opening up my quesadilla, and like I have a bunch of, I order everything at Taco Bell. I go like this and I go like this to it. When I go to do that, my thumb clicks this button. Okay, so my thumb, as I'm doing it, like when I went like this, my thumb clicks this button. We already know where this is going because of the title too, but like, I'm traumatized. So Austin then takes the thing, I don't know what it's called. I keep pausing because I don't know what it's called. Like hands-free device. Anyway, so he takes it and moves it down like this. So it moves down like this. What the hell? What is happening? Anyway, so it's about here. So what you're seeing, hold on, let me just screenshot. It's about this, no big deal, right? If you don't know, I lay in bed naked. I like being naked, I like being free. I don't have any top on, no underwear, nothing, and I'm just living my best life with my Taco Bell by my side and my titties out for the world to see, literally. So I do not know how it happened. I don't know if there's a ghostia in here or what, but what happened was, I think when I did click plus, like to get to this stage right here, I must have just like went and like scrolled maybe to about here. Maybe it went onto the live, or maybe it didn't do anything, but I feel like it did. Before I go ahead and eat, I realize that there's crumbs under my back already and I haven't even started to eat yet. So I like get up like this and I go like this and I go like this and get all the crumbs off. We always do that. I know it's disgusting. All the crumbs grow on the ground. Crumb tree. Me. A crumb tree. Doesn't sound right at all. So as I'm doing that, I can feel that my butt, like my bare butt, is like touching this screen. So I don't know if at that point it clicked live and then go live, or if my hand, when I literally was moving it and like adjusting it, went over to it and clicked go live. But As we can hear, I went accidentally live on TikTok and didn't know. Girl, and like naked. So I don't know how exactly it happened, like I say, but honestly, okay, I'll just tell you. So besties, I basically get the crumbs off the bed, get everything else set up. I like to have my boobs out, like I'm not gonna cover up. So that's what I'm doing. That's how I'm living my life. I'm literally have like just everything out for display. I have my one leg out, my vagina's probably flopping over to the side. It's a thing. So I'm not looking at my phone. Me and Austin aren't looking at my phone because we'll scroll through TikToks as we eat, but we're not set up yet. I feel like this is like going on forever of how like us setting up. Like it has to be exactly right. When I eat food in bed, I need it to be right. I need a plate to be there. I need some sort of dip. I need my hot sauce. I like to open all the hot sauce packets beforehand because my hands get greasy and like full of stuff. So I like to have them all open. So it's just like a process to get set up. So during that time, I was on live. I was on live video. So how I found out was, so he was gonna get this TikTok started. You can kind of tell if the TikToks suck on my FYP because we'll just like restart the TikToks. So he was like, he went to like, usually goes to the first couple of them and then tries to get it set up, or if I'm set up first, I'll do the same thing, vice versa anyway. And he says, what is this? Weird, what is this? And I went, what? And I look and I was like, it was on live. It was on live. I immediately clicked X. I immediately got out of that live. I immediately was like, what? And I got out of it. I like literally, it felt like almost like an invasion of privacy, even though I did it to myself. But I felt like scared, like what did I say? What did I do? What was I showing? Because like, okay, everyone's gonna be like, oh, you have OnlyFans, like who cares, right? Like you show stuff on there. Yeah, but I choose what to show and I consent to what's being shown, right, on there. This, I'm like, it's like in my own home and I accidentally clicked a button, or maybe Austin clicked the button and somehow it's on there. So fun, that's great. So I get out of it. I don't even look at how many viewers there are. I don't even look at if there's comments. I don't even look at anything like that. I'm just so embarrassed and like flustered and frazzled. Like I did everything so quickly, like to get out of it, that it was almost like I was like underwater. It felt like my ears were closing up like this and I was like getting fuzzies. I feel like I was gonna pass out, literally, because I didn't know what I had said. I didn't know, like, what if I was like saying something like super personal? What if I was like saying something that I don't want people to know? Like what if I was like, I don't know. And what if I was showing my whole butthole? What if I was like spreading open my butthole and showing everyone, right? Like these things are not for TikTok. Like this shit's not for TikTok. I'm like, oh my god. So it says end live now. Are you sure you want to end live now? And I was like, end. And then I was like, oh my god. And me and Austin were just silent. I lost my appetite with my Taco Bell. Completely lost my appetite. And then Austin said, well, I don't think you were on live. And if you were, it was like for a couple minutes. And then he said that this was angled like this, so they didn't see anything anyway. And I was like, my ass, I was doing a doggy style, like to the camera, like in like the worst angle, like literally at my ass crack, literally zoomed in, high definition, high double D, H double D, and it was a nightmare. Okay, I didn't know what was going on. So I go to my page and there are saved live videos, and I was like, okay, well, I'm gonna go there and there's probably gonna be nothing popped up yet, right? There's gonna be nothing popped up. I go there's no live videos, and I'm like, oh my god, thank God. I was like, maybe I'll just like restart the app because maybe I like ended it too soon or whatever. So I I exited out of my TikTok app and like reopened it. And then, yep, it sure shows I have one live video. I think it was quick because on that screen, it says like total amount of live viewers, stuff like that. There was only 10 viewers. So I hope it was just like, you know, because you scroll through TikTok and you see like people on live videos all the time. So I hope it was just people like just scrolling by, people that don't know me. I hope nobody screen recorded it. I feel like I would know by now because this was like a week ago. I feel like by now people would have released it or said something or messaged me. I was waiting. I was like literally like a hawk on my Twitter, seeing if people were gonna message me being like, what was that live? Like, that's a weird live or something like that. Nobody did, thank goodness. So I was like, cool, I've never been on TikTok live, and this is my first live ever being on. Like, FML. Like, what? Of course that would happen to me. Have to happen to me. So I was mortified. I didn't even want to see what was on the video. You know, like the kind of like out of sight, out of mind type thing. I was like, I'm not watching this. I'm not gonna watch and like see what people saw. You know, I just don't want to do it. Like I'm not gonna see. I'm gonna beat myself up about it. I'm gonna keep thinking about it. I'm gonna give myself anxiety from like thinking about it too much and like what people saw and stuff. So in the future, please be careful. Like accidentally clicking live video. You never know what could happen. Don't really know what to tell you and don't really know like what to say with like, it just might happen to you. Unfortunately. That was my story. So if people are gonna be like, oh, was your butthole shown? Like, were your boobies shown? Guaranteed my boobs were shown. I don't know if my butthole was shown, but guaranteed. And I was wearing no makeup. I literally had no makeup on. I looked gross. My eyes were like black because I hadn't been sleeping. I don't know, I was having some trouble sleeping last week. I don't even, whatever. So like my eyes were literally like black because I was like sleeping for like an hour a day, or a night rather. And then, but yeah, definitely my boobs were showing. I was probably like this and like no makeup on, like ugly, laying there with my toddies out for everyone to see on live video. Like I could have got banned. You know, I could have got banned from TikTok and been like, you know, you can't just show whatever you want on live. Like, is this OnlyFans? No. So that was my story time. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I hope I gave you guys your story time fix for all of you guys who are requesting it. And I will talk to you guys all in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye!